I'm Valerie Naifeh, and I'm the owner of Naifeh Fine Jewelry in Oklahoma City. At Naifeh Fine Jewelry, we're not just a jewelry store, but we are jewelry designers. Specifically, I'm a jewelry designer, and I've been designing jewelry since 1987. In the beginning, everything that we did, we had to do by hand. But now with the advent of CAD and 3D printing technology, the complete manufacturing process of jewelry has been completely revolutionized.
When I first started in the business 27 years ago, CAD was just becoming a new thing. Over the past few years, the technology has gotten much better. CAD technology programs can actually photo render the drawing to where it actually looks just like the real ring. So you actually see what you're getting before it's even made.
The design process always begins with me doing a sketch by hand. I use a drafting style to create a blueprint for my CAD designer. My CAD designer then takes that and translates it into a perfect 3D model. The 3D model that we generate on the computer, we then can send to a 3D printer.
We use a laser type printer. It has lasers that are fed into a solution where the laser lights crisscross is where the polymers harden, and that creates the 3D model. Then you pull the model off the surface and it has to be cured. What we do is we actually boil a piece in water, and that actually cures the resin hard enough to cast. Then we mix a plastic cast type investment that's used for plastics. You pour it over the piece, you degas it with a vacuum. The vacuum pulls the air bubbles out. It's then put into a burnout oven, and we burn it out in steps up to 1550 degrees. At 1550 degrees, carbon literally disintegrates. What you're left with is a perfect negative of your ring. Then we pull the flask out, we put it into a centrifugal casting machine, and we melt the metal, and once the metal is melted, it's injected into the cavity via centrifugal force, and you get a perfect impression of what that ring used to be in plastic. Then the piece has to be cleaned. All the screws have to be cut off. You then sand the piece, then we can start setting the stones in it. Once the ring is finished and it's stoned and all the stones are set, after that we have to clean the piece up and polish it. The cut down gets rid of all your scratches, and the gloss shines.
The advantage of using CAD and 3D printing is that there's no margin of error. Now everything is 100% precise. On behalf of myself and everyone here at Naifeh Fine Jewelry, I hope that this video has inspired you and has let you see a little bit of what we do here in Oklahoma with the technology that's available today.